Moving to a new home and worried about your computer? You are right to be careful. Computers are expensive, fragile, and full of important data. But with the right steps, you can move them safely. Before you pack anything, back up your files. Save important documents, photos, and work files to an external hard drive or cloud storage. This protects you in case something goes wrong during the move. Next, shut down your computer completely and unplug all cables. Take a photo of the cable setup or label cords so reconnecting everything later is easy. If you still have the original box and packing materials, use them. If not, wrap the computer tower or laptop in bubble wrap and place it in a sturdy box with padding on all sides. Screens should be wrapped separately and packed upright, never flat. Keep accessories like keyboards, mice, and cables together in a labeled bag or box. Avoid placing heavy items on top of any computer equipment. During transport, keep your computer with you if possible, especially if it contains sensitive data. Extreme heat, cold, and rough handling can cause damage. Once you arrive, let your computer adjust to room temperature before plugging it in and turning it on. Taking a little extra care now can save you from costly repairs later. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com, and also you can email us at contactus@movers.com or call us at 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.